Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how I made this yummy special fried rice. Here I have my vegetables. For my vegetables, I'll be using the red, green, yellow bell pepper, some carrots, spring onion and some sweet corn. I'll proceed to use some salt to wash, peel all the carrots and then cut into my desired sizes. If today is the first time you're coming across my YouTube channel, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. And to all our returning viewers, I appreciate you. In my saucepan, I added some vegetable oil, some good amount of onions, ginger and garlic paste, chopped scotch bonnet pepper. I'll stir for everything to come together. In a bit, I'll be adding my carrots. If you are still watching till this point, thank you so much. I'll use my spoon to turn for everything to mix thoroughly. Here I have my parsley leaf, I have my dry parsley flakes, and next I'll be adding my curry powder, some spicy tea, and next I'll be going in with my sweet corn. It's raw, but it's tender though. If you have already cooked sweet corn, it's okay. Now I'll be going in with my veggies, my red, green, yellow bell pepper. At this point, you want to fry on a high heat. Now I added my sesame oil, some sweet chili sauce, and next I'll be adding my light soy. Next, we'll be adding our premium oyster sauce. At this point, you can add your Chinese cooking wine if you have Chinese cooking wine. Next, we'll be going in with our bouillon, about a teaspoon of salt. Stir for everything to incorporate together. And this is the time for us to add our already parboiled basmati rice. Before I cooked my basmati, I washed thoroughly up to 5 times until the water was very clear, until it was very transparent. You don't want to overshadow your veggies with the rice, so you go in with it gently, portion by portion. That way you have an equal proportion. Now I'll be adding my spring onion. This is the last thing I'll be adding. The reason why you should fry your veggies on a high heat is because you don't want it to sweat out its own moisture. The moment your veggies begin to sweat out its own moisture, it's not going to retain that crunchiness. So you want to fry on a high heat in order not to give it that opportunity to sweat out moisture. Now our food is ready. And this is the time for us to enjoy this delicious looking meal. Would you be trying this recipe? Let me know down in the comment section. Do not forget to give us a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified whenever I post new videos. And to all our viewers, thank you.